You know, it's all safe.
Are all gone?
Mm-hmm.
They're all gone. They're all set.
Yep, are all gone. They're all gone. All gone. No, everybody's sweetheart.
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's almost time for us to go light a fire and have marshmallows.
Have to eat them. We can look big kids. Have to eat them. I'm hungry. Sharp, so sharp.
Yep, walk in the road, Sawyer. There's sharp things there. Yep, you just gotta go in the grass if you see a car.
Stop! A car coming!
It's okay, it's turning. It's in the other road. You're fine. Yep, so stay on the road so you don't touch them. Yep, there's my house. So keep going. We're almost there.
There's my house.
Okay, stay by the edge. There's a car coming.
Stop. Okay, now we can go.
Go one more.
Okay, now we can go. Are all gone?
Yep.
Are all gone?
Hey, Audrey,
Now it's my house.
you want to run through the grass?
Yep, now you guys can run in the grass.
Come
Now
on.
the one in the grass. No.
Are we allowed to let go?
No cars. No cars.
Anna.
No cars. How's it going this way?
Yeah, we're gonna light a fire in there.
How's it going this way?
Hmm?